Okay, so what we have here is a DV7. Has the same chipsets and same build out as the DV4s, but what we're going to do is turn this on, and we get the lights and everything, but we also have a blinking caps lock over here, and with that blinking caps lock, what happens is you know that is telling you that you have a memory problem, or your problem is, see how it's blinking right there, that memory problem is either internal memory or VRAM. So what we're going to do is break this system down and then go from there to see if we can't figure out what's going on. Either we're going to test the internal memory or reflow and see where it goes. So what we have here is the DV7 board out, and what we see is this chipset right here doesn't have a single heat sink on it at all. So our heat pipe goes right here to where our AMD processor's at, and then goes to the AMD video chipset. But we have nothing here on the south bridge. So what we're going to do is reflow this and reflow this one, and hopefully it's going to fix our unit, but we'll do that here right now to test it out and make sure everything's okay. Alright, so we're set to reflow these two chipsets, and since they're in a straight line, it's going to be pretty straightforward and easy. We just reflow the one, then move up the board to accommodate for the other one. So what we're going to do is start reflowing this, and then we'll go from there, see if it shows a video. But we got it set up, and we're going to turn the machine on for the preheater and go from there. See you in about 15-20 minutes. So we have our DV7 after the reflow going for burn-in, and as we can see, it's actually booted up properly. Memory's booted up fine, and it is DV7 that was sent to us. So what we're going to do is allow this to run for 2 hours. We can see it's starting at 1 minute here, and after that happens, we'll say that it's complete. But this appears to be the system that we have, and we're going to go with it and see what happens after 2 hours. Alright, so we've ran our board here for about an hour and a half. We actually had to restart the process because we pulled this power button out, and when we did, it locked the system up and froze it. And that was, we let it run for its 2 hours, but it locked up and froze. So we didn't know if that had anything to do with the actual reflow, or if that was something to do with the memory, or if it was the power button. So just as precaution, we restarted it, and when we did, it's been running for an hour and a half right now, perfectly fine. So we're going to call this one done and put it back together, and then move on to the next system.